In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Norton Secure VPN app subscription in 2025. We'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a smooth process. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the official Norton website. It's crucial to start on the official site to avoid any potential scams or unnecessary confusion. You can find the Norton website by typing Norton in your search bar or entering the URL directly if you have it. Once you're on the Norton website, look for the option that says My Account and give it a click. This is where you manage all your account settings and subscriptions. If you haven't logged in already, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Click on Sign In and make sure you have your username and password handy to access your account. After signing in, you'll be redirected to the Norton homepage. This is essentially your dashboard for all things Norton, from products to personal settings. To proceed, you need to navigate to your account settings. So, go ahead and look for the My Account section and click on it. Now that you're in your account settings, the next stop is the My Subscriptions section. It's here that you manage your subscriptions, including any you might want to cancel. Click on My Subscriptions, and you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions with Norton. To view specific details of your Norton Secure VPN subscription, you need to click on Subscription Details. This option gives you more information about your current plan, including renewal dates and billing information. All the nitty-gritty details you might need when deciding to cancel. You're almost there. The final step is to click on Cancel Renewal. This action prevents your subscription from automatically renewing when it expires. Norton will likely ask you to confirm your decision, possibly even offering alternatives or prompting for feedback. Be sure to confirm your cancellation, and you should receive a notification verifying that your subscription will not renew. And that's it. You've successfully canceled the renewal of your Norton Secure VPN subscription. It's essential to check your email for any confirmations from Norton to ensure the process took effect. If there's any discrepancy, their support team is just a call or email away to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process a bit more straightforward for you. Feel free to check out more of our tech guides for tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.